Howdy folks, it's Devin. I'm so excited because I just received a new dress from one of my favorite brands, Ovate. It's called the Salomé Dress, and I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing together and share my initial impressions. This is not a sponsored video, I spent my own money, and I'm just a fan of the brand. Let's see what this dress looks like, folks. If you've watched my previous video on my now beloved Naja dress, you know what an admirer I am of Ovate. There I go into much more detail about the brand. I will link that video for you folks to watch in case you missed it. This Salomé dress immediately caught my attention when Ovate released it this past spring. Its very fitted sleeveless bodice is expertly shaped and its long gathered skirt imparts drama. The raw edge silk ruffle is just the perfect feminine addition. This dress is crafted from a blend of 55% linen and 45% cotton with silk chiffon ruffle detail. It is currently offered in both plaster and black. I chose the plaster color as a counterpoint to my black Naja dress. For reference, I am 5'5" inches tall, and Ovate's sizing chart recommends a size extra small for me based on my body measurements. So that is the size that I selected for the Salomé dress. The Naja dress has a distinctly more oversized silhouette and was only offered in two sizes, small medium and large extra large, so I went with the small medium. I must confess that I'm eager to see how this Salomé dress fits. This Salomé dress is even more beautiful in person. It has exceeded my high expectations from the brand. Everything about this dress is beautifully executed. I can really see Audrey's love for her craft showcased in this dress. I didn't need to fret, the fit is spot on. I would love to add more pieces to my wardrobe from Ovate in the future. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll be showing you folks how I style this dress. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me again in the desert.